Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening devices settings and then selecting security and privacy. Following that, click on screen lock and tap on screen lock over here. You can also tap on lock screen in your device's settings and tap on set lock type at the top. Either way, from here click on the best login method for you: PIN, password or pattern. Then you get to create it. Tap on continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you are finished, select confirm. Now manage lock screen notifications thanks to all of those options, or disable them completely by tapping on blue switcher at the top. When you're done, click on Done at the bottom. Then decide if you wish to turn on Remote Unlock by clicking on one of those options in the pop-up. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!